Hey, I'm going to try to explain quickly about a bug I've had that I finally figured out how to resolve it. But using the Team Foundation Server Administration Tool or Permissions Administration Tool, you get this error, Invalid Server. So you have a permissions problem and you can't even get into the TFSAdmin tool to correct the permissions problem. So it's sort of a catch-22. What causes this error to begin with is a team member remotely uses Visual Studio to create a TFS team project, and when they create this team project, the SharePoint and SQL reporting services permissions are not created correctly. To create these permissions correctly, the only way I know how to do it easily is through this TFSAdmin tool, and only the person that created the project can initially set up the permissions. So if they haven't done it, then you as the TFS administrator try to come along and you're blocked. So to reproduce this error, say I try to select this project, I'm trying to fix the permissions, I'm blocked. If I come over here into Visual Studio, I can see that my documents are blocked, I can't get access to it. So to resolve this error, what I found out is I will go over to my TFS server where SharePoint's installed on a single server environment. I'll go to Application Management, Site Collection Administrators, select the site that's having the problem. Now earlier I was working on a different site, and I'll tell you where I lost about an hour pulling my hair out. This list of items is paged. I'm only seeing part of them. The project I was trying to fix earlier was this project, and I couldn't find it, and I went around in circles trying to figure out why I couldn't see the site, etc. But make a note of that. I select the site that I'm having the problem with now, and we can see Andre probably created this project and forgot to use the TFSAdmin tool. So I'm going to add either myself or some other account which I can log in to get access through the TFSAdmin tool. I'm going to check this name, hit OK. So now I've added the administrator account to this new site collection. I'm going to jump back over to my TFS administration tool. I'll hit refresh, select this, boom. Now I get access to the full permissions. So in the future, to make sure this doesn't happen again, I'm going to add a new account. If I'd have had an access via another account, I wouldn't have had to gone to. This thing is like voodoo too. I don't understand. It does all kind of weird, funny things, and I just don't understand whatsoever. But for the most part, it seems that when you add a new user and you give them full permissions, everything's okay. But if you look at something like this TFS build user, who probably does not even need reporting permissions, but let's say this is some other user and we're going to try to give them SQL reporting permissions, hit commit changes, refresh. Okay, so I have no idea why, but those permissions actually took this time, and they're saved. So if I hit refresh, I can see them. A lot of times I can't see. A lot of times, no matter what I do, I can't get the permissions to set properly. It may be some other permissions issue. What I normally do is I just come in here and I delete the user, and then I just re-add them again. Hope this helps. Let me go over here and see if this solved my documents problem. Boom. Now my documents work. So hope this helps. So yeah, that's it.